operation of matrices, addition of matrices, let A be equal to Aij m by n matrix and B equals Bij, Bij m by n matrix. Let Cij m by n matrix denote A plus B. Then we can say Cij m by n matrix is equal to Aij plus Bij. Addition is defined only for matrices which are of same order. Now let us look into a problem related to addition of matrix. Find x and y if 1 3 0 x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. So it is given 2 times 130x plus y0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. Find x and y. So 2 times of matrix A gives you 2 6 0 2x plus y 0 1 2 is 5 6 1 8. Now by equality of matrices, now let us add this first. So that would give you 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 2x plus 2 is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Now by equality of matrices, you can equate 2 plus y is equal to 5, or this implies y is equal to 3. Same way, 2x plus 2 is equal to 8, or this implies 2x is equal to 6, or x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. Now let us look into another problem. Solve for x and y if 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 and 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 5 is given by 3x plus 2y. This can be solved just like linear equation in 2 variables. So the first matrix is given as 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. Now let us multiply, and the second matrix is given by 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 5. Now let us multiply the first matrix. Let us take this as 1 and this is 2. So multiplying the first matrix by 2, I will get it as 4x plus 6y is equal to 4, 6, 8 and 0. And multiplying the second matrix by 3, I will get it as, let me take this as the third equation, and this would become, multiplying the second matrix by 3, that would give me 9x plus 6y is equal to 6 minus 6 minus 3 and 50. Let me keep this as equation 4. Now solving. Now let us subtract 3 and 4. Subtracting 3 and 4 will give you 5x is equal to 6 minus 6 minus 3 and 15 minus 4, 6, 8, 0, which is equal to 2 minus 12 minus 11 and 15. So you can even put it as 4 minus 3. Yeah. Let me put this as 4 minus 3. Yeah. So we've got 5x is equal to 2 minus 12 minus 11 and 15. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and 15 by 5. Now, this can be written as 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and 3. Now substituting this value of x in equation 1, we would get 2 times 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and 3 plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0, or 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 4 by 5 minus 2 12s are 24 by 5, 2 11s are minus 22 by 5 and 6. Now on subtraction and simplifying this, we would get 3y is equal to 6 by 5, 39 by 5, 42 by 5 and 0. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 3 times the matrix. So that would give you, dividing throughout by 3, I will get it as 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. I'm sorry children, 0 minus 6 is 6 here. I'm sorry. 6. So 6 by 3 is now going to give you, this is going to be minus 6. So that will give you, dividing it by 3 would give you minus 2. So therefore y is equal to 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5, 3, and y is equal to 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2.